Ocean and the Butterfly by Dave Matthews is going to be played in standard tuning, and it's going to be based around some kind of power chords and a couple of C-shaped chords as well, F and C-shaped chords. Then there's a weird little riff that's like as a bridge. That's intricate picking that's characteristic of Dave Matthews' style. But the opening riff, you need to know a G major, an E minor, a C major, and then a D major that's formed out of a C major shape, basically. So the first chord, first finger on the 6th string, 3 fret, ring finger on the 5th string, 5 fret, pinky finger on the 4th string, 5 fret. And the strumming pattern on this, you can definitely get by with like a just down strums, down, 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 down. That's kind of what he's doing a lot of the time. Sometimes it might be down, up, down, down, like down, up, down, down, or down, up, down, up. But it's a triplets. It's what they are. Triplet, 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 triplet. So anyway, that's the pulsing pattern throughout almost the entire thing. Either down up, or either down 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 down, or down up down down up down down up down down up up, or down up down down up down up down. Actually, let's forget about that other one. That one doesn't make sense. Most commonly, it's either down 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 down, or down up down down up down down up down down up down. All right, so moving from the G major to the E minor, you're going to go. He tends to sometimes hit the 6th string 2 fret, moving into the E minor. So for the E minor, you'll open the 6th string, and then you'll put your first finger barring the 5th string 2 fret and the 4th string 2 fret. For this, you really just want to hit across the open 6, the 5, and the 4. If you go past that, you start getting into frets that you don't need to really be fretting. So just those 3 strings right there. Then we're going to go to a C major. That's ring finger on the 5th string 3 fret, 2nd finger on the 4th string 2 fret, open 3 string, 1st finger on the 2 string 1 fret, open 1 string. And then we'll take this shape and just slide it up 2 frets so that your ring finger is on the 5th string 5 fret, 2nd finger on the 4th string 4 fret, open 3 string, 1st finger on the 2 string 3 fret, and open 1 string. And that's going to be your verse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, triplet, 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 triplet. So after like 2 rounds of that in the verse, it goes. That's a walk up out of the G power chord to a C power chord using walking power chords in between. So you're going to use the exact same shape the whole time. First finger on the 6th string 3 fret, ring finger on the 5th string 5 fret, pinky finger on the 4th string 5 fret. So that power chord shape, I'm going to speak now just in terms of where your first finger moves, keeping in mind that your ring and pinky are going to be keeping the same formation relative to your first finger. So 3rd fret on the 6th string, 5 fret on the 6th string, 7th fret on the 6th string, 8th fret on the 6th string. That's going G, A, B, C. Triple, 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 triple. So we're basically 1 round of triplet, 2 round of triplet, 3 round of triplet, 4, 5, 6, 7, triple, 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 triple. And it does that, I think, 2 times before. The last time it goes G to the F chord to the C chord. So that would be still power chord formation on those first 2 chords I mentioned. First finger on the 6th string 3 fret, ring finger on the 5th string 5 fret, pinky finger on the 4th string 5 fret, to first finger on the 6th string 1 fret, ring finger on the 5th string 3 fret, pinky finger on the 4th string 3 fret, and then the C major chord again. you can hear how I'm kind of pulsing that last note, triplet, or the triplet, like the one of every other triplet measure. Triplet, 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 then the C. And then we've got, that will be, you're going to move to a 3-fingered F chord, and you're going to begin it, so your ring finger is going to be on the your ring finger will be on the 4-string 3 fret. Your second finger will be on the 3-string 2 fret. Your first finger will be on the 2-string 1 fret. And you're going to start that first hit with your pinky finger actually down on the 3-string 3 fret, so that you can go, and then lift up your pinky finger so that you've got basically a suspended F chord. And then you're going to just kind of, you'll lift up your second finger and expose the open 3 string. And then you're going to move, you'll leave your first finger where it is, but move your ring finger and your second fingers down one set of strings. So your ring finger's on the 5-string 3 fret, your second finger's on the 4-string 2 fret. And you're going to do the same motion, except for now your pinky finger's coming down on the 4-string 3 fret. Lift your pinky finger up to expose where your second finger is on the 4-string 2 fret. And then kind of open up the 4th string, and then go back into the G chord. So that would be the last round of that chorus. With the C, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. And then, all right. So after the second kind of round of verse and chorus, after it slides up to, that would be, you're going to come up into still a C shape, but your ring finger will be on the 5-string 6 fret, ring finger on the 4-string 5 fret, open 3 string, first finger on the 2-string 4 fret, and you're going to be strumming from the 5-string to the 2-string. You want to avoid the open 1 string and the open 6 string here. Triple, down, 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 down. Then take the shape and just move it down 1 fret to that D that we discussed earlier. For ring finger on the 5-string 5 fret, second finger on the 4-string 4 fret, open 3, first finger on the 2-string 3 fret, and then back into the verse. All right, lastly, the bridge. All right, so the way that you're going to do that, first finger on the 5-string 3 fret to the ring finger, to the second finger on the 4-string 5 fret. That's a bit of a stretch. You can use your ring finger if you want to, but I'm pretty sure Dave Matthews is using his second finger. So 5-string 3 fret, 4-string 5 fret. Then pinky finger to the 4-string 7 fret. First finger to the 3-string 4 fret. Second finger to the 3-string 5 fret. Pinky finger to the 3-string 7 fret. So that you've got. Then we're going to move with our second finger to the 5-string 5 fret, first finger to the 4-string 4 fret, second finger to the 4-string 5 fret, pinky finger to the 4-string 7 fret, first finger to the 3-string 4 fret, second finger to the 3-string 5 fret. So we've got from the C to the D. So the C was to the D, and now we'll go with our pinky finger to the 5-string 7 fret, so that we've basically gone C with a riff, D with a riff, and now E with a riff. That is pinky finger on the 5-string 7th fret, second finger to the 4-string 5th fret, pinky finger to the 4-string 7th fret, first finger to the 3-string 4th fret, second finger to the 3-string 5th fret, pinky finger to the 3-string 7th fret, back to your second finger on the 3-string 5th fret, first finger on the 3-string 4th fret, pinky finger back down to the 4-string 7th fret, second finger to the second finger to the 4-string 5th fret, first finger to the 4-string 4th fret, pinky finger back down on the 5-string 7th fret. So we've basically walked up out of an E, back down to an E, or walked up out of the 5-string 7th fret, back down to the 5-string 7th fret. And then it repeats. But with the repeat, we're going to have a slightly different pattern. The C is the same. The D is the same. The E is where things change. So the E will go. So that E for the next two rounds is pinky finger on the 5-string 7th fret, second finger on the 4-string 5th fret, pinky finger to the 4-string 7th fret, first finger to the 3-string 4. Let me start that over. So pinky finger to the 5-string 7th fret, first finger to the 4-string 5th fret, pinky finger to the 4-string 7th fret, and then you're going to bar your pinky finger down to the 3-string 7th fret. So you're going, and then down to the second finger on the 3-string 5th fret, first finger on the 3-string 4th fret, pinky finger on the 4-string 7th fret, second finger on the 4-string 5th fret, first finger on the 4-string 4th fret, pinky finger to the 5-string 7th fret, and then you kind of hear the 5-string get hit open as he goes back into the next C. And then that repeats again. D, E, back to the C, and then so that's basically pattern. The first pattern again very slowly, to the D, to the E, second pattern, to the D, to the E, bar here, then walk it back down. That repeats the third time. So we're on the E, bar, walk down, and then the last time, so we're on the last time. The first and last bookends with, so the first time walks up out of the E instead of the bar out of the E. So the last time walks out of the E up to your pinky finger on the 3-string 7th fret, and then it goes immediately after that right back down into, which is really difficult. But right after that fourth round, so this is the last round, we do that riff again that we've already talked about. And then back into. So, super long lesson, but those are the chords and the movements and the riffs to The Ocean and the Butterfly by Dave Matthews. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.